This is Chakri Sharma. I'm a student of Federation University, South Australia. Today I would like to present my video on the topic call centers. As we all know that call center is the centralized department in which workers work for the companies to providing the guidelines for the services and the products provided by the company This system became more famous after the IVR system was introduced, because the IVR system is like interactive voice response. This prompts help the customer to jump from one menu to another menu rather than instead of instead of following some other restrictions sent by the person on the another end. This is like a computer which tells us, like, if we want to go to this menu, we have to press 1. If we have to go to the another menu, we have to press 2. There are two types of the calls that can be handled in the call centers. First are inbound calls, another one is outbound calls. Inbound calls are the calls which are made by the customer for the inquiries, or to tell, like, if they are having any problems. These kinds of calls can be very helpful for the company to retain or keep the customer for a longer time, because if we gonna solve the problem very easily or in a quicker time, so we can retain our customer. Another are outbound calls. These kind of calls are made by the company for the more sales or to response for the complaint made by the customer. So these kind of calls may be inconvenient for the customer, because sometimes company calls at the random times that might be not good for the customer, or like if they are sleeping, the company is calling, maybe customer got irritated, or the company can lose the customer as well. So another thing is like element inbound call centers. First element is like opening the call, another one body, and third one is ending the call. Opening the call is just like to wish the customer, like, and the worker have to present themselves, that whom they are talking to. And the second one is the body of the call. In this section, the worker just has to listen to the customer, like what's the problem they are facing. Last one is the ending of the call. Ending of the call is like giving them a proper solution, or anything, any kind of inquiry they want to tell the customer, like what plans they are changing, why they are changing those plans. And like one step we have to, like, the worker have to done before ending the call is to upload the data for the servers for the future use. There are some advantages and disadvantages of the call centers. First, call center, like offshoring call centers also provide up-to-date technology, so people can interact from the other country to the other country to solve the problems. Call centers can easily handle at low volume. Another thing is, there are some disadvantages of the call centers. Lack of collaboration and communication between the companies may lose the customer, and lack of company knowledge may destroy the company reputation among the customers. In the last, I just want to tell that if we want to tackle the problem, we have to resolve these issues to gain more customers and gain the sales. So that's from my side. Thank you.